You ever wonder how some barbers get a hairline super sharp and precise without even using a straight razor? You know why? Because most barbers zero gap their clippers.
So what about the people that don't know what zero gapping is?
That's a good question. Let's tell them.
Okay, let me break that down, what zero gapping is. It's actually when you take the blades off of the trimmer, you adjust the moving blade up to the stationary blade, thus the term zero gap.
Wait, so you mean to tell me you just move the blades, remove the gap, and it makes the clipper sharper? Like you get the super precise hairline.
Exactly.
That's it.
Yes, sir.
How?
Well, actually, you have to be extra careful when setting these blades because if you overlap the moving blade on top of the stationary blade, it can cause skin irritations and cuts.
And for that reason, Wahl made the Proset tool. I know you're wondering, what is that? Well, let me show you how this works. This is my Cordless Detailer LI. Notice it has a red protective cap. This is to protect your clipper from oxidation, chips, and abrasions, so you protect your blade. If you don't see this on your clipper, the chances are it's not an authentic Wahl product. Now, you want to take your screwdriver. You want to start by removing your screws. Notice I have this one finger holding the blade so that the blade doesn't move. Now we're going to go to the second one. Now, you want to remove the blade like so. Now, if you look at your blade, you want to take your Proset, you want to flip this over like so. You'll notice a 1 and a 2. Same thing here. This is your 1, this is your 2. This is where these numbers come into play. You always want to loosen screw number 1 a half a turn. Then screw number 2 a half a turn. You take this blade and you want to push it, turn it sideways so you can see this at an angle. You want to put it in at an angle. Once it's in there, you just want to snap it in. Once you hear that snap, you know that the blade is secure. You can turn it over, nothing's gonna move, nothing's coming off. Now, you wanna take that same miniature screwdriver and you want to tighten the clipper. And this is where these little wings right here come into play. It's kind of difficult to grab it there, so you wanna hold it there and tighten that 1. And likewise to number 2. Now, pull it just a little. You can remove the blade, just that simple, okay? And we're gonna make sure that you have your blade lined up right in the center, and you'll hear that little click when it comes down. You wanna take your screws, and you wanna make sure that it's secure and tight. You wanna take your finger, come right along there. Voila. All you need is a Wahl Proset tool and 2 minutes of your time. Gee whiz.
I'm Barber Nas.
We out.